Hello everyone, welcome back my channel with a new video. Friends, you can see here is many colorful of toys really arranged here. All are nice and beautiful. So friends, now I will hand drive and introduce with you one by one all of these toys. At first is momentum trucker, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this momentum truck car. This one is pink and paste color combination. So friends, now I will hand drive this BMW car, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this BMW car. This one is black, yellow and pink color combination. And next one is R17 high speed bike, so I will hand drive this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this R17. This one is red and black color combination. Wow friends, see there is a green company double-decker bus here, so I will hand drive this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this green company double-decker bus. This one is yellow and black color combination. And next one is a army jeep here, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this army jeep. This one is black, green and yellow color combination. And next one is a big size mixer truck here, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this mixer truck. This one is yellow, black and red color combination. There is the last one is very big size police helicopter here, so I will try this one also. Wow friends, I parked here this police helicopter. This one is white, black and blue color combination. So friends, all of my toys are hand driven and introduced with you. So friends, now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful toys.